Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. Welcome to Pantech Solutions and YSB, and I'm warmly welcome you all for the session Data Science Masterclass Series Day 2. And I hope you guys are super excited. I just read a lot of people guys have pinged in live chats. A lot of people guys have posted that I'm excited to attend the session. I'm waiting. I'm really happy by seeing those kind of messages. I'm really happy because from this today's session, it is not gonna be like yesterday's session, because yesterday's session we guys have completely gone through about theoretical, because I really want to deliver the complete basic knowledge to you regarding data science, ML, DL, NLP, and roadmap. So everything we guys have got to know about on the yesterday session. But from the today's session, we are gonna be going inside the technical session, and it is really completely it is gonna be a practical session. Okay, so if you are super excited and ready, you just post I'm excited and ready, Sanjay, in your live chat. So before going on to the session, I would like to welcome the people present here. There are a lot of people here. Danson, hi, and Stephen, hi. 1 minute. Okay. So and Vincent, hi. Danson, hi. Wayankan, hi. Praveen, hi. And Excel Brooks, hi. And Priska, hi. Shukku, hi. Leo, hi. Bhavna, hi. And Sudarshan, and Favor, Promise, and Isha, and Syed, and Umesh Shavan, and Nigat, and Kanes, and Stephen, and Rajita. Hi, thank you so much. Put your seat belts on, ready to take off. Thank you so much. It's really nice. And Yogi, hi. And Naeem, hi. Buhari, hi. Swija, hi. And Sharin, hi. And Pradeep, hi. Jishnu, hi. Naeem, hi. Hello, guys. Hello, all. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posting their messages. So, thank you. Thanks a lot. Swati, Manoj, Himaleshwaran, Raji, and Brian. Hello, guys. Hello, all. Hi. Okay. So let us go to the session. So in this today's session, so on the roadmap itself, we guys have gone through a lot more stuff. So before going on to the session, today's session, let us have a quick overview. Okay. So on that overview, so on the today's session, what we guys have gone through. First of all, we guys have explored about AI, and then we guys have explored about ML, DL, computer vision, natural language processing, and then we guys have shown like what are the job roles which you can able to apply for, and what is the roadmap to become a data scientist, like what are the skills such as like Excel, programming, and business intelligence tools, databases, and machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing is an optional. So likewise, we guys have found complete roadmap, and then we guys have moved on to application of artificial intelligence, right? So today we are going to begin with the first very important tool, which is Excel. Okay, so on that Excel today, I'm gonna be showing you one of the really super cool function, which is Power Query. Okay, so if you are ready for this today's session, if you just post I'm ready, Sanjay, in your live chat. I hope you guys are having a laptops. So if you are having a laptop, please take it with you, or else no problem, you just watch the session and later you can practice with your laptops. Okay, but if you're having a laptop, please take your laptop and try to do it with me. Okay, so if you can't able to come with me, no worries. Okay, you just attend the session and you can watch this video later, like today, so then you can practice later. Okay, so if you are ready, you just post I'm ready, Sanjay, in your live chat. So before going on to the session, the same as like there is an announcement. So attendance link will be available in between the live or in the end of the live maybe. So once the session is completed, start filling up the attendance form. Until then, please don't rush up for the attendance form, guys. Okay. So and then yes. So a lot of people got really interested to know about the winner of like pen drive, right? So I think a lot of people guys have participated in this event to answer those 5 questions. Okay, so because I really happy because it does not mean that, as I have already told you, it does not mean that you really want to give the right answer. I just asked to only post the answers, right? So based on that request, a lot of people guys have posted the answers, and I felt really happy by seeing those answers. A lot of people guys have tried it. Okay, so today at the end of the session, we are going to be announcing the one winner who is going to win that 32 GB pen drive. Okay, so I hope you guys are super excited. And Manisha posted, can you please slow down? Okay, definitely I'll go slow down. Okay, so I'll go slow. Thank you so much. Okay, so now let us bring it down to the session. So before going on to the session, there is another short announcement, because yesterday we guys have got to notice about like a lot of people's payment was failed. So that's why we are extending the offer, which is like 4-in-1 course, because actually we have already told you this 4-in-1 course which we are providing at the only on yesterday, but because of the lot of failure payments, we are just extending this 4-in-1 course today. Okay, what is this 4-in-1 course offer is? Once you register for at the price of 1499 rupees, those participants are going to get 4 courses artificial intelligence. Each and every courses which is worth of 1499, but we are providing 4 courses, actually 3 courses for free. Data analytics, an AI course, and machine learning course, and Python course. So likewise, we are providing 4 courses at the price of 1499 rupees with the 1 year validity. With you are going to get 4 internship certificate, plus you are going to get 1 IET certification. Okay, to the data analytics. Okay, that is what we are going to get. So if you really want that, the link which is given in the description below, you just click that link and register for it. So let us go to the session, guys. So before going for this Power Query, you guys tell me. I think each and every people having Microsoft Excel in your laptop, right? So you guys tell me what version of Microsoft Excel which you guys are using. Okay, just ping your responses or answer in the live chat. Okay, so before that, I really want to show how to check it out, the versions and those stuffs. Okay, so before that, let us explore this Power Query, because before that, while talking about an Excel, guys, definitely we are going to do lot more stuffs on the Excel. For example, you can handle the data if the data is already in the format of Excel sheets. So you just want to use that data. So data acquisition, and if you really want to do the data cleaning, so data visualization, dashboard creation. So as you are a data analyst or data scientist, you really want to work on those stuffs like data cleaning or automations, or doing some kind of task in a very shortest and simplest way. So likewise, that kind of work can be done in the Excel. Okay, so that's why we are exploring the Excel first. So on that Excel, today we are going to be exploring a very wonderful topic, which is Power Query. So while talking about this Power Query, it is going to be helpful for doing a data transformation and data preparation. So I'll tell you, while exploring the application, definitely you will know what is the main purpose of using Power Query, because with the help of that, you can able to automate some of the tasks. Okay, so on that example, I'll tell you some of the example. As same as, like, let us take in the same kind of example which we guys have told yesterday. So you are working in an automobile company, okay, like a BMW car showroom or something like that. So you used to get some records, right? For an example, in 2016 you have a profit or sales record, 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So likewise for this 22, so up to this 16 to 22 years, so you have the sales record. Okay, so on those sales record, you are going to do some filter, or you are going to apply some data cleaning methods, like removing some of the features, removing the order ID, removing what is it? So removing some kind of other parameters. So likewise, we used to apply some kind of data cleaning on your data. So for an example, if you are crossed 2022, now you have the year record of, for an example, if you crossed 23rd year. So you used to have one record called 2023, that year record, 2022 to 23's record. So that year, so again you really need to do that pre-processing, like data cleanings and those stuff. So by using the Power Query, we are going to do this automation. Okay, we are going to do the automation with the help of this Power Query, guys. Okay, so I hope you guys are super ready. So while talking about the usage, this Power Query can be used in Excel for Windows, Mac, Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Azure. So there are a lot of tools such as there, like Power BI or Azure Data Factory. So in each and every tool, this Power Query is being used. Okay, so we are going to explore this Power Query. I hope you guys are ready. And I got answers. I got a response, like a lot of people are using 2021, 2013, and 2016, 2019, 2013. Wonderful, guys. Thank you so much for giving the wonderful answers. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so before that, the people who really don't know how to check it out your version, you can type simply Excel. Okay, you just open your search, and you just open your search. Okay, so guys, are you guys all ready for the hands-on? If you are ready for the hands-on, you just post RF Sanjay in your live chat. Ready for hands-on. RF Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so you just open your Excel, and you just click the account button. Here you can able to check it out the version. Okay, you just see here what the version I'm using. So Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2021. So this is the version which I'm using here. Okay, so you just try to check it out your Excel version, because we really want to know about the version. Guys, don't worry about the font size and those stuff. Okay, because we are not completely going through theoretical wise. Okay, don't focus on the text which is written there. Simply just focus on my words, guys. Okay, so first thing, okay, I see you guys are ready for the hands-on. What you really wanted to do is you just open the Excel first. Okay, so on the Excel you just check it out the version first. Okay, so in the Excel which I'm using is 2021. Okay, this is the version which I'm using. The first thing which we really wanted to do is checking out the Excel version. Okay, file, account, about Excel. Now we need to install Power Query in our Excel, guys. Okay, it does not mean that it is going to have that. So based on the version which you are using, you are going to have the Power Query which is going to be inbuilt on Excel, or you just want to install Power Query manually. Okay, so for that notice, the people who are all having the Excel which is greater than 2016, okay, 2016, 2019, or Office 365. So likewise, the people who are all using the Excel which is greater than that 2016, you no need to install Power Query in your Excel, guys. Okay, so Power Query is gonna be defaultly available in your Excel. Whereas the people who are all using the oldest version of Excel, like 2013 or 2010, what you really want to do is you just want to download that Excel from the link which I'm gonna be sharing with you on the live chat, guys. Okay, please note down this link, okay, or please save this link. So from this link you just want to download this Power Query in your laptop. Okay, Power Query in your laptop. Okay, so I'm just opening this. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, again I'm telling you, this is only for the people who are all using the oldest version of Excel. Okay, the oldest version means like the people who are all having 2010 or 2013. So those people, you just install this Power Query manually with the help of the link which I've given. Okay, so Janesh, don't spam for attendance, otherwise you will be banned from this channel. Okay, I'm sorry to tell, but don't do the spamming for the attendance. Okay, if you are really coming for the attendance, please leave the session. Okay, so now this is the link. I think you guys are clear. So up to now on this hands-on session, what we guys have did, the first tool which we are exploring today is Excel, because we need to do a lot more stuff like automation, cleaning, transformation, lot more stuff we are going to do it with the help of Excel. So on that automation thing, we really want to, on the automation or cleaning automation, so on those kind of automation, we really want to get the help from the tool or the function called Power Query. So to go with the Power Query, first of all, you should have an Excel. So if you are having Excel, first of all, you just want to check out the Excel's version. If your Excel version is greater than 2016, you no need to install Power Query in your laptop. Or else, if you are using Excel which is in the version of 2013 or 2010, you should install the Power Query manually by the link which I have given in the live chat. Okay, so I've given the link in the live chat. So once you guys have pasted your link in the browser, you can able to see this Power Query will be downloaded in your laptop. Okay, you just click this exe file and you just install this Power Query in your laptop, guys. Okay, so I'll cancel this because I'm using a latest version of Excel, so I really don't want to install this Power Query manually in my laptop. But other than that, the people who are all having a very oldest version of Excel, please install the Power Query manually, guys. Okay, or you are clear with the step. If you are clear with the step, you just post "I'm clear, Sanjay" in your live chat. Preeti, it is because it is based on your Excel version. It is not based on your Mac or something like that. I think it is available in your Excel. I think please check it out, your Excel version. Okay, so if you are clear with this up to now, you just post "I'm clear, Sanjay" in your live chat. We guys have checked whether we guys are having a Excel or not. Then we guys have tested what's the version of Excel which we guys are using. If your Excel is greater than 2016, you no need to install Power Query manually. But if you are using the Excel which is less than like 2010 or 2013 kind of oldest version, you should install Power Query manually by using the link which I given in the live chat. So this is what up to now we guys have explored. Are you clear? Okay. So I really wanted each and every people want to be clear with this. If you all super clear with this up to now, you just post "I'm clear, Sanjay" in your live chat. Okay. So if you are clear, I'll proceed with the next step. If you are really not clear, you just post "I'm not clear" so that I'll explain it again. Already I just explained 2 or thrice things. Okay. So that is what the things. Okay. So yes, I'll give the link again for you. Okay, I given the link again. So just click that link and download the Power Query if you are using the Excel version which is 2013 or 2010. Thank you so much, Sakina, for posting pretty clear. So let us go with the steps. So let us explore a little bit elements about the Power Query, guys. You just see these elements. Okay, I'll just zooming in. In this picture, on the left side, it is going to show you the list of queries. Okay. On the right hand side, it is going to show the query settings. And in between the green color pane, which is a data table preview. And the top layer, which has been called as the main ribbon. Okay. This is what the Power Query is going to look like. Okay. Let us explore the exercise, guys. Okay. So are you all ready for it? Okay, so how many of you people are eager to learn something new today? Okay, so if you are eager to learn, you just post ETL Sanjay in your live chat. Eager to learn. Okay, some people guys have posted. Please explain again, guys. I didn't explain. I didn't explore that much. It's very simple. First of all, we guys are want to install the Excel, which is Microsoft Office. I think a lot of people are having a Microsoft Excel in your laptop. On that, first of all, you just want to check out the Excel version. If your Excel version is oldest version, for an example, if your Excel version is 2013 or 2010, you should install the Power Query manually by the link which I have given in the live chat. If your Excel is 2016 or 2019, you no need to install Power Query manually because Power Query is defaultly available in your latest version of Excel. This is what you guys have explored. Okay, there is no matter of fact to not understand that. Okay, I hope you are clear now. If you are clear now, you just post "I'm clear now," Sanjay Nilancha. The people who posted not clear, if you are clear now, you just post "clear now," Sanjay Nilancha. Now, what we are going to explore is we are going to use the Power Query. Yes, I really know you are really little bit confusing what is meant by this Power Query and those stuff. But while exploring this project, you will be knowing what is the main purpose of using this Power Query. Okay, so I hope you are all ready for it. Okay, so now what we are really gonna have is first of all open your Excel. Okay, are you all with me? Okay, if you are with me, you just post "I'm with you, Sanjay" in your live chat. Thank you so much, Farouk, the World of Game, for posting clear now. Samba Siva, thank you so much. Thank you so much for posting clear now, guys. Now what you just do is you just open your Excel. Okay, so you just open your Excel. So in this Excel, I think you can able to see this window clearly, right? So there is an option called data. Okay, so this is the data menu where your Power Query is gonna be there. Okay, are you all clear? Okay, so this is what the bar or the menu you should go. Okay, once you guys have opened your Excel, you should go for the data. Are you all clear? If you are clear and if you are with me, just post "I'm with you, Sanjay" in your live chat. Okay, so this is what is all about this data. So, okay, so what we just did is I just opened my Excel and you just want to look for the option called data. Okay, so once you guys have done, so this is the data here. So this is what the data. So before that, let me show some of the problem I have with my data set. Okay, so what we gonna have is so in my folder, so in my directory, I'm having one folder called dataset folder. Okay, so inside this dataset folder, you can able to see there are two CSV file, which is like my sales report or something like that. So 2018 sales report and 2019.19 sales report. So you can also create by yourself. Okay, so you just see here 2018.csv. I'm just gonna open this. Just see here, this is my data I have. Okay, so serial number, and don't tell me Sanjay, give me this data set, give me this data set. Please don't ask that, because it is very simple data set which you can able to create by yourself. Okay, so here I am having a serial number, order ID, order date, delivery date, Mr. or Mrs. or Miss, and name and value. So value means the order, how much order, price, amount of the sales which I got from that person. So likewise, I have the data for 2018.csv. This is for the year called 2018. This is the 2018 sales report. Now, let me open the another data set, which is 2019 sales report. So this is my 2019 sales report. Okay, same as like before I have for 2018. So this is for 2018. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. And this is for 2019. The persons are J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So likewise, I have this two data set. There are two data set which is for 2 years sales report. One is for 2018 sales report and another one is for 2019 sales report. Or you are clear with the data. Guys, I'm really going very slow for you. So if you are really, I really want each and every people want to be clear with this. If you are clear, you just post I'm clear with the data Sanjay in your lecture. Okay, go inside one folder. Okay, I'm repeating only for you again and again, guys. Please stay focused onto my session. Okay, so I have one folder called dataset folder. Inside the dataset folder, I have two dataset files. One is 2018 sales report and another one is 2019 sales report. So in this dataset, this is my 2018 sales report, which is having serial number, order ID, order date, delivery date, Mr., Mrs., Miss, or name and value. So order value I have. So likewise, I have 2018 sales data. Same as like in the same folder, I am having 2019 sales data. So if you are going for this 2019 sales data, same as like here we are having serial number, order ID, order date, delivery date, Mr. or Mrs., name, value. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Reddy, Renuka, Thugs Gaming, Visiman, Weissman, and Rekha, and Bhargavi, and Suprithvi. Thank you so much for posting clear. So now let us interact. Sometimes. So you guys tell me. You are observing this 2 day sales data, right? So one is 2018 and another one is 2019. So by observing this data, you guys tell me which columns do you think is really not needed to display, which is not needed for display. For an example, if I'm going to create some dashboard, so like sales dashboard. So out of this two data, which columns of data is not needed? So that is my question. You guys give your answers in the live chat. I'm having a 2 Excel sheet. On the 2 Excel sheet, I'm having a same equal number of columns. So out of that same equal number of columns, you guys, my question is, you guys want to tell me which columns do you think is not needed to display in our dashboards? Okay, that is my question. You just give your answers in the live chat. The first answer which I got from Raja, yes, Mr. or Mrs. and serial number, exactly. And delivery date, yes, sometimes delivery date is not needed, exactly, great. Order ID, yes, sometimes order ID is also not needed. Thank you so much, guys. You are really great. You just give a great applause for the people who posted answers, guys. Yes, as you people told, I really don't need the serial number. Definitely, I'm not going to do anything with the serial number. Order ID, it is also optional, but I'm not sure I'm going to use this. I really don't need that. And this is also optional. If you really want that, you can use it. And Mr. and Mrs., this is really not needed. Only thing you can bind it. Otherwise, it is not needed. And value, yes, definitely value is needed. Yes, right? So this is what the data. Okay. So I hope you all enjoying the session. If you all enjoying the session up to now, you just post, I'm enjoying Sanjay in a live chat. We are going to solve one problem. Keep your 200% focus on me, guys. Because we are going to solve one problem. We are going to do the data cleaning, but we are going to do it in a very effective and very easy way. Okay. So I'm repeating again. I have one folder. So inside that folder, I'm having the two data. One is 2018 sales report and 2019 sales report. So each and every data sales report which is having equal columns like serial number, order ID, order date, delivery date, Mr. Mrs. Name, value. So likewise, I'm having a two data set, 2018 and 2019. So as you guys have already given the answer, some of the column is not needed for my data purpose, of course, because I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna do anything with the help of serial number and those stuff. Okay, that is what the statement I have. Now we really want to do the data cleaning. So now I'll guide you. What you really want to do is, let me open Excel first. Okay, just blindly I'm just opening an Excel and I'm clicking blank workbook. What we really going to do is I'm going to click the button called data. Okay, of course, because as I've already told you, we really want to access the Power Query with the help of the data menu. Okay, once you guys have gone into the data menu, you just want to get the data from the folder. Okay, please look for the option called get data. Okay, so please look for the option called get data. For you it may be looks different, but definitely that option will be available in your Excel, guys, because I'm using 2021 very latest version. But if you are using different version like 2016 or 2019, definitely it is available. Please check that out carefully. Okay, don't tell me it is not there. Okay, definitely it is there. Okay, please go for the data, and inside the data you just want to go for the option called get data from file. Are you all with me, guys? So go for the from file. Inside that from file, now as I've already told you, I am having two data set. One is 2018 sales report and 2019 day sales report. So both the sales report which is present inside the folder called data set. So now what I'm just going to do is I'm going to open this data set folder and just copying this directory. So T webinar data science 2 data set where my two data set lies. Okay, so now let us go for this get data from file from folder. So once you guys have chosen that folder, it is asking where is your folder is. Just simply paste the directory and go into the folder and click open. Once you guys have clicked open, it is gonna list me what are all the files which is present in my directory. Guys, are you all clear? Okay, so are you all can you able to understood this? Okay, if you are really understood this, you just post I understood Sanjay in your lecture. So once you guys have given that folder, it is showing me 2018.csv and 2019.csv because in my folder I am having two sheets. One is 2018.csv and 2019.csv. So both the data is just showing in my this menu. Okay, I am repeating you again. Please open your Excel. Once you guys have opened your Excel, go for the data. Once you guys have gone for the data, please go for the get data from file, from folder. Paste where your directory is, where your dataset directory is. So you are inside this dataset directory. Now click open. Once you guys have clicked open, it is gonna list me what are all the files which is present in your directory. So it is just listing me 2018 CSV is there, 2019.csv is there. Now, instead of directly clicking load and those stuff, what you just want to do is you just want to click combine and transform, because I'm going to create the dashboard on the upcoming session for the whole sales report for both the 2018 and 2019. So that's why what we really going to do is I'm just going to click combine and transform. Okay, so once it is showing the list of files which is present in my directory, you just want to click the button called combine and transform data. It may have combine or edit. Okay, combine or edit or combine and transform. So once you have clicked it, it will open this combine files option. Okay, this is optional, skip files with errors. Now I'm not going to click this. So it's just showing the data. Simply I'm just going to click OK. Okay, are you all clear? Okay, so is my speed is okay now? So once you guys update, you just see here my both the data is been combined. Just see here, my 2018 sales data is there, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and my 2019 sales data is also here, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So now you can able to see this. My both the data set has been combined into a single sheet, right? Now if you are using a huge amount of data, so this since for demo, because you are a beginner, so that's why I really don't want to I really don't want to increase the complexity by using a large data. I'm just simply using a simple data set which is having a two sheet. One is 2018.csv and 2019.csv. Each is having nearly like 8 to 10 columns, 8 to 10 rows. Okay, now you can able to see this. Both the data set has been combined. Okay, so now are you all clear with this up to now? If you are clear with this up to now, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in your lecture. Now what we are really going to do is, I'm going to do some data cleaning here. Okay, I'm going to do the data cleaning for my whole data set. So now I'll do this. Just see here, it is showing a source names, source name. So I really don't want the source name. So simply I'm just going to select this column, right click, remove. Done. And you guys have already did this, like serial number is not needed. You guys have already told me that. So I'm going to right click and remove. Serial number is not needed. And order ID, yes, of course, I really not going to do anything with the order ID. So order ID is also been removed. Okay, so here order date and delivery date is there. So let us fix some of the dates here. So you can remove delivery date. Okay, so order date. So if you really want that, you can keep. Otherwise, you no need it. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. Now, okay, so this is what the data cleaning I'm just doing here. Okay, now on the right hand side, you can able to see what are all the query you are doing. Okay, what are all the changes you are doing. So it has been applied here. So for an example, if you want to undo this, you can click this X mark which is present here. Just see here, which is returned back. Right? So right click, delete. If you are clicking this X mark on the right side, it will be undone. Okay, so that is what the thing. Okay, so now what we are just going to do is right click, remove, serial number, remove, order ID, no needed, delivery date, remove. So, and I have Mr., Mrs., Miss, name and value. So, as you guys have already told me, like Mr. is not needed. But what I'm going to do is, I really want to combine this both the things, Mr., Mrs., Miss and name. I really want to combine like Mr. A, Mrs. B, Mr. C, Miss D. So, likewise, I'm going to combine these two columns. So, how can I do that? So simply what I can do is, guys, please follow this session carefully. So I'm going to select this two columns. You just press the control button in your keyboard and select this two column. So once this two column is being selected, simply right click this two column and there will be option called merge columns. Okay. So what you just do is you just selected this column and press the control key, keep on pulling that and keeping on pushing that. And Mr. and Mrs. is being selected and name is being selected and right click and click merge columns. So once you guys have clicked the merge column, it is asking for the separator. So by using which delimiter you really want to separate that. So for an example, I'm going to give custom. I'm going to give full stop. Okay, Mr. dot A, Mrs. dot B, Mr. dot C. So likewise, I'm going to give one full stop in between Mr. and the A. And then new column name. So I'm going to give the name like full name. Okay. So my new column name is full name. So likewise, I've given that. I'm just going to click OK. Now you just see here, my name has been combined. Okay. I hope you really like the session. If you really like the session, you just post I like the session, Sanjay, in your live chat. So Mr. and A is been combined with the help of one delimiter called dot. Mr. dot A, Mrs. dot B, Mr. dot C. So likewise, the data is being combined now. And here, another main thing. So this is, I hope you are clear with this. If you are clear with this, you just post I like this, Sanjay, in your live chat. Now, you can able to say change the data type as well. So data format is like, here if you are clicking this icon, it is going to represent date. Okay, so it is going to represent the date. And whereas the full name is going to represent just a text. Okay. Whereas, just see here, this is amount. Is there any problem? Guys, try to observe this column carefully. Is there any problem in this column? I like this session. Thank you so much, guys. Lot of people are posting that I like this, cool. Wonderful, guys. Thank you so much for giving your positive message. So on the last column, there is one problem. You guys tell me what problem is there in the last column. Because my last column is amount. Okay, again I'm telling you, my last column is the amount. So Mr. A order at the price of 100 rupees. Mr. B order at the price of 200 rupees. So likewise, it is nothing but an amount. But I have some problem. Yes, we got an answer from Vijesh. It's text and a number. Exactly, guys. And yes, Couples are given the another answer. RS is to be separated. Exactly. Yes, lot of people have guessed the right answer. Wonderful, guys. Thank you so much for answering that question. Yes, because since it is my amount column, this RS text is not needed for me. So now what I'm just going to do is I'm going to select this column. Okay, I'm just going to select this column. Here there is a button called split column. So you can able to split that column based on the number of digit or positions, lowercase. So whatever the split you can do, definitely you can do. But now I'm going to split that column, the data based on the delimiter, because between the RS and 900 or between the RS and 10 rupees amount, there is a dot which is present in between the data. So that's why I'm going to give the delimiter. So by delimiter and the custom, I'm going to give the full stop and I'm just going to click OK. You just see here, my columns, my data has been segregated. So RS has been separated individually and my numbers has been separated individually. Okay, I hope you really love this, guys. So now this RS is not needed. I'm going to right click and remove. And still now, these columns, which are numbers, of course, but I really want to change it in the format of currency. So what I can do is you just simply click this number icon and you can give that as a currency. Okay, so likewise I can give that as like a currency, guys. Okay, so likewise we just given some currency value. So dollar. So these are going to be in the format of currencies and these are going to be in the format of text and these are all going to be in the order date. So are you all satisfied up to now? What we just did, we guys have loaded two datasets, 2018.csv and 2019.csv in my folder. I just loaded that folder from my Power Query. So we just combined both the dataset for the editing purpose. Now we just applied some cleaning. So some cleaning in the sense, I removed serial number, order ID, delivery date, that we did. And then we combined the Mr. or Mrs. into the name to represent in the name of like Mr. A, Mr. B, Mrs. B. So likewise, we guys have combined the data in the second column. We guys have named as like a full name. And in the last column, there is the name called rs.100, rs.200. So likewise, so it is being splitted out by using the delimiter dot. And that column is being formatted as a currency. That is also we guys have did. And we also need to give the name for the column. So we guys have given the proper name. Okay, amount and full name and order date. So likewise, we guys have cleaned our data. Now what we really want to do is, still now the process has not been completed. Now what I'm just going to do is, we just want to go for the option called close and load. Okay, on the top left corner, you just want to click this close and load. So once you guys have clicked that close and then load, you can able to see your clean data, your cleaned data is being exported into your sheet. Okay, your new sheet which you guys have opened, right? So onto the new sheet that has been opened. So I'll delete this sheet one. Okay, so in this only sheet, you have this data, order date, full name, amount. Are you all clear? Now, I'm just going to save this sheet. Okay, I'm going to name it like what to say, data science or data analytics report. Okay, likewise I'm just giving the name. Okay, so let me save it in my directory. So in the dataset folder, or sorry, so in this folder I'm going to save this name like sales report. Okay, likewise I'm just going to save this file. That's it. Okay, so now you may think, Sanjay, what we really did, we just did just simply a cleaning, right? Now I'll show the the real benefit of using Power Query, guys, because definitely you can able to do this cleaning for each and every sheet. So opening a sheet, cleaning, opening a sheet, cleaning, so those stuff we can do. But I'm gonna be showing the major purpose of using a Power Query. How many of you people are really excited to know about it? If you are really excited to know, you just post, I'm excited, Sanjay Neelan. So please see the sheet carefully. I'm having order date, I'm having full name, I'm having amount. These three datas for R2 sheet, 2018 data and 2019 data, which has been completely combined to show the results in the format of like tables. Now, I'm going to do something. For an example, as you are a data analyst, okay? So you already did some cleaning for this 2018.csv and 2019.csv, and you guys have created the table like this. Now, there is a problem. Not a problem. There is a task you really wanted to do. So you crossed 2020 year. Okay. So I hope you are clear with me. Okay. Now you guys have crossed 2020th year. Now you got new sales data. New sales data is like you guys have got 2020 sales data, because previously you guys have used only 2018 and 2019. But now you got 2020 sales data. Now, as you are a normal person, what you will usually do? You will open the sheet and you will remove this, you will combine this to a column, I'll split this rupees and you will change that into a currency. So likewise, we will combine or we will change the data, we'll use the we'll do the data cleaning again. But as you are really expert in Excel now, especially in Power Query, as you guys have already created the Power Query from the folder. So because you guys have loaded this folder, you guys haven't accessed this 2018 CSV or 2019 CSV. Simply we guys have accessed the whole directory, folder, right? So now what I'm just going to do is, so before that I wanted to show this. Just see here, it's just entered at Mr. R and 70,700 rupees. Now what I'm just going to do is, I'm just going to copy this 2020.csv. Okay, and I'm just going to paste it inside this folder, my dataset folder. Okay, are you guys really surprising to see this output? So now, once your data has been uploaded into your folder called dataset folder. Now, before we guys have done the data cleaning only for 2018 and 2019. Now you have 2020.csv, which has been uploaded or which has been loaded into this dataset folder. Simply go for the data. And you just want to click the refresh all button. You just see here, you just applied that data cleaning for the 2020 data set is also there. I hope you really love this output. If you really love this output, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, because we guys have did the data cleaning only for 2018 and 2019 data, but simply I haven't done any data cleaning for 2020 data. I simply dragged and dropped into this data set folder. It just automatically applied the data cleaning and uploaded or updated the complete data into my table. So my table is already here. So in this table, it just uploaded or just updated by doing a cleaning for both of by every data 2018, 19 and 2020. So for the both for every 2018, 2019 and 2020's data, it just applied the data cleaning and just automatically updated in this sheet. I hope you really love this session. If you really love this session, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. This is what the Power Query is about. By using this Power Query, we can do lot more stuff. So likewise, we have given 14 plus tasks we have given. So likewise, if you really want to learn this Power Query in detail, in the internship, we guys have spent lot more time to explain the Power Query in detail by giving lot of additional values to you. So please register for the internship to get the additional values to know more in detail about the Power Query and Excel, guys. So this is what the differentiation between the YouTube webinar which you are here now versus the internship which we are offering. Because in the internship you are going to get the recorded video lectures, source code, data sets, mind map, PPT, and internship certificate you are going to get. Usually we used to provide single courses at the price of 1499 rupees, but additionally now we are providing AI course which is worth of 1499, which is for free, and machine learning which is also worth for 1499 for free, and Python course which is worth for 1499 for free. So likewise, we are providing 3 courses absolutely free for you if you are registering today. As I have already told you, we are just extending this 1499 offer only today. So where we are providing that 4 courses like AI Masterclass, Machine Learning Masterclass, Data Analytics Masterclass, and Python Masterclass. Likewise, we are providing this 4 courses at the price of 1499 rupees, with a 1 year validity, with a 4 internship certificate, and 4 courses, recording video lectures, every source code, every mind map, every presentation, every data sets, everything you are going to get as an attachments files. And you are also going to get additionally, you are going to be certified by IET Mumbai only for the course called Data Analytics. So if you really want this course, this is the right time. Today is the last time and last date, because today night 11:45 p.m. we are going to end this offer. If you really want that, you just click that link and register for the internship to feel the value, guys, because this is not gonna be provided again. So click that link which is given in the description below and register for the internship to feel the value 4 courses at the price of 999. Okay, once you guys have registered, you are going to get then access for this portal learn.pantechsolutions.net. So if you are visiting this learn.pantechsolutions.net, you can able to see these 4 courses: internship on AI, internship on machine learning, internship on data analytics, internship on Python. So these are the 4 courses. So AI course which is going to be covering up Python, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, chatbot, AI cloud, AI hardware. So these are the 8 core hard topics which has been covered by AI course, which is also a 30 days course which is free for you if you are registering today. And in the machine learning, we'll be segregated that into 2-3 categories: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. We guys have covered nearly like 25 plus algorithms for 25 plus projects. You just see here the project is salary estimation, handwritten digit recognition, Titanic survival prediction, plant leaf iris detection, digit recognition, breast cancer reduction, house price prediction, exam mark prediction, salary prediction, a stock price prediction, height prediction. Likewise, we are providing 25 plus projects. So that is what this machine learning course. This is also 30 days course. This course is also absolutely free for you today. And Python course, which is covering up the basic Python from the scratch to the master level. So that Python course, which is also absolutely free for you. And data analytics course, which has been covering up the advanced like about Excel, Power BI, Tableau, statistics, database like MongoDB, MySQL, and machine learning a little bit, and deep learning and NLP. So likewise, it's covered those stuffs. So likewise, if you are registered for this data analytics course today, you are going to get 3 courses for free: Python course, machine learning course, and AI course. So likewise, you are going to get 4 courses and 4 internship certificate, 1 IET certificate. This complete 4 course which we are going to provide at the validity of 1 year. So why we are not giving it for the lifetime is because the course completion rate of Udemy kind of course providers is completely very less. Because if you are not having a deadlines, we won't complete the course. So that's why we are giving this deadline to complete this courses at in a very short span. Okay, merci. Thank you so much for posting that. International payment link is also available. So definitely I'll be giving the international link via the. Give me a sec. I'll try to give that now. So international link is also available. So sorry, because yesterday that is the problem. Lot of international payment got failed. So I'll give that link now. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just checking. I really wanted to check that out with my team. So if my team is watching this session now, please post the international payment link to the live chat and description. Okay, so please post the international payment link and the live chat, guys. Okay, so that is what the thing. So this is what the 4 course. So once you guys have registered for the 4 course, so you'll get the access for this portal. Additionally, you are going to be getting the community link. Okay, so the community is like we are providing the course, like we are providing a social media access. So which is like course, which is like separate social media where you can able to get to know about the upcoming events and those stuffs. So this is the private social media. You are going to get the permanent access for this private social media. So this is what you are going to get. And each and every day source code which has been given under the each and every bottom of the course, like assignment attachment section, assignment attachment section. So in this section you can download whatever the stage, whatever the thing which has been discussed on the internship with the PPT, mind map, so a data set, everything you are going to get completely for free. Okay, so again I'm telling you, this 4 courses at the price of 1499 with 1 year validity, with 1 IED certification, with 4 internship certificate, with 70 plus final year projects, 100 plus source code, and forum discussion groups, So everything you are going to get only at the price of 1499. So only because of the lot of payments failure, we guys have extended this offer only today. So if you really want this offer, so today is the right time to just click that link which is given in the description below and register for the internship to feel the value, guys. Okay, so let us announce the gift announcement. Okay, so a lot of people are excited. I really know that a lot of people are excited. If you are really excited to know the winner of this today's like yesterday's quiz which we guys have conducted about some kind of 5 basic questions. So before going on to winner announcement and those stuff, you just give a great applause for the participants. Nearly like 937 participants guys have answered their questions. The questions are very simple. As I've already told you, it does not mean that you really want to give the right answer or wrong answer. If you are giving the answer, you are great, right? So on that aspects, we guys have totally got 937 responses. So please give the great applause for the participants who guys have answered that questions. It is not about that you won the pen drive or you lost the pen drive. It is about you guys have tried to give the answers. Just give the great applause for the participants who guys have answered it. Okay. Swapnil, definitely you'll get a reply. Don't worry. Okay, definitely I'll ask my team to contact you. Don't worry. Okay. So now what we are just going to do is, as we are a programmers, right? Yes, of course, we are a programmer, right? So as we are a programmers, what we really going to do is, I'm just going to choose the winner based on the Python program. Okay, by using the Python program. So before that, I download the sheet. Give me a sec. Okay, so until then, you just ask your questions. If you guys have any questions, you just post your questions in the live chat. Okay, if you guys have any questions, please post your questions in the live chat, guys. Okay, so I just keeping the name of pendrive.csv. So give me a sec. I'll clean the data because I really wanted to clean some of the data because some of the column is not needed. Okay, so I just cleaned my data. So let us open the program, guys. I hope you guys are super excited for this winner announcement. So what we are going to do is, I'm just going to read this pendrive.csv file. Okay, so in my local directory, I have this pendrive.csv file, which is going to carry out the participants who guys have answered that question. So those questions, so it is already taken the email ID of each and every 937 participants email ID. So from the Python program, what we really going to do is, I'm just going to load this data. Okay, I'm just going to load this data from the Python program, and my Python program is going to tell me by using a random function, random.sample. So my Python program is going to tell me or is going to print me only one of the person's mail ID. Okay, so once it is printed the one of the person's mail ID, that person's mail ID, that person is the winner of this 32 GB pen drive task. Okay, are you all excited? If you all excited, please spread some that kind of vibration in the live chat, guys. Put some drums or put some emojis that to show you guys are excited to know the winner of this 32 GB pen drive. Okay, so before that, again I'm telling you, you are really great that participants who guys have given the answers in the Google form to answer that 5 questions. So thank you so much for giving that answers. So let us run the program. I hope you guys are super excited, right? So let me explain this program. I really wanted to explain this Python program. This is the CSV, which is a Python library to handle this comma separated, the CSV file. So and then random function, which is going to be helpful for choosing only one random email ID from the Python from the data set, and pendrive.csv file. And now we are going to read the data. So R is nothing but reading. So reading my complete data set. So pendrive.csv, we are going to read the file, CSV file. So once we guys have read the CSV file, and we are going to append every rows into a single variable called rows. We are just appending into the list. So inside that rows variable, we are going to use the random function, random.sample of rows comma 1, which is nothing but out of that complete samples, out of the complete rows, out of that complete email IDs which we have, this is gonna tell me, or this Python program is going to bring only one email ID, because I've given the random comma 1 is right, 1 is there, right? So 1 means it is going to tell only one mail ID. So the people who the mail ID which is going to bring us, that person is going to be the winner. Okay, thank you so much, guys. A lot of people have posted that. I'm excited. Wonderful. There are a lot of drums emojis, wonderful emojis, guys. Thank you so much for posting their emojis. So let us run this. I hope you all super excited to see the output. So let us run this. Run and run module. Yes, we got output here. So this is what this is the winner of the pen drive. The mail ID is pp26421@gmail.com. So please give the great applause for the people, for the person who won the pen drive. So to this person, our team will be contacting you to asking your postal address. So please check your spam folders, or please check your inbox. And to that mail ID will be asking your postal address. You just send your postal address. To that postal address, we'll be booking the pen drive, 32 GB pen drive for you. So please give the great applause for that person who won the pen drive, guys. If the person is here, you just post "I'm here, Sanjay" in your live chat. Okay, if pp26421@gmail.com. If the person is here, you just post "I'm here, Sanjay" in your live chat. So other than that, if the person is not here, definitely will be sending an email to asking a postal address. Please give the congratulations emojis for the participant who won the 32 GB pen drive. Other than that, the people who guys have answered that question, every people are winner, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is the winner. Please note down my team. Okay, so yeah, so that's what is all about today's session. I hope you guys have enjoyed this today's session, right? And let us interact a little bit. If you guys have any questions, please raise your questions in the live chat. I'm ready to answer your questions, guys. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posting congratulations, congrats. Wonderful, guys. I have question that I'm not having a button of combine, so that it caused problem in opening the data, cannot loading in the sheet. What should I do? It will have if it not having, I think you haven't followed the procedure properly. Please open from the folder. Don't open a single sheet. Open from the folder, and inside the folder it should have the sheet. And click that combine and edit. Okay, combine and edit will be there. Combine and edit or combine and transform. Only two options will be there. You just click that button and go for it. Okay. Guys, is there any other questions to ask? If you guys have any other questions, you just please ask your questions in the live chat. Ajay Kumar, paid 1499. Get the, I didn't get any email for. So I'm really sorry. Definitely, I'll just check it out. Ajay Kumar, please ping your email ID to this Telegram number 73058455758. Our team will be checking it out, and our team will be contacting you very soon. Okay. What does it mean by 6 months validity for internship? Actually, the people who are registering for 999 rupees and 1299 rupees, the portal access validity is going to be only for 6 months. But the participants who are going for 1499 rupees package, those participants are going to get 1 year validity to access the complete course. Web version, I'm really not sure, so please check it out. Tomorrow also I'll just check it out, and I'll let you know whether it is available in the web version or not. Poonam, sir, I have observed that when dataset is big, then despite of great accuracy, we didn't get accurate results when we put data in GUI. Please help, sir, how this will be solved. I'm not clear about your question. Are you handling the data by using Excel or BI tools or Python program or machine learning? I'm really not sure. Please be clear on your question, please. Must the two sheets have the same number of columns? Yes, of course, because otherwise it will give some of the errors. Definitely, we can able to fix out the errors as well. Can we change the dollar currency from other currencies? Yes, of course. On the upcoming days, you will be learning. Thank you so much for asking that question. Wonderful question. Definitely, we are gonna be learning on the upcoming sessions. Sivakumar, tomorrow will be also sales class. Guys, if you're really not feeling the value, you can simply leave the session. Okay. So each and every day, I'll try to give my best because you can try to imagine, guys. This is the same course, data analytics course, which is being provided at the price of 1499, which I'm giving at the complete free of cost of 1499. A lot of people have already registered for it. Now only we guys have offered 3 or 4 course combo, but previously we used to sell at the price of 999, but I'm just providing it for free. Okay, please try to feel the value, guys. Okay, so instead of spreading negativities, please try to feel the value. Okay, how much we are just giving it for free. Okay. Can we use Power BI? Definitely we can use Power BI because Power BI is also having the facility to use a Power Query. So definitely don't worry, we are going to be exploring on the upcoming session. Omkar, sir, I have paid 999 for internship in previous batch, but the validity was only 70 days. Can you extend the warranty for 6 months? Please contact our team to this number 730-584-5758. They'll be giving, definitely they'll give support to you. Okay, and another main thing, guys, the participants who guys haven't connected with me through the LinkedIn, please connect with me through the LinkedIn. My LinkedIn link is also given in the description below. On the previous series, a lot of people what they did is they just usually they used to take a screenshot of daily session with me and chats, and they just used to post it on the LinkedIn. I used to reshare it again. So likewise, you can also do that so that my connectors they are also going to follow you, or you're going to attract those kind of people who are interested in the field of data science, AI, ML kind of thing. So please try to follow me on the LinkedIn and connect with me through the LinkedIn. Okay. So that's all up to the session, guys. I hope you enjoyed this today's session. And from tomorrow, each and every day, whenever the days is passing by, you're going to get a little bit detailed value. So please stay connected with me onto this 30th day of the session. So thank you so much for your interaction. Thank you so much for your support which you are giving on the live chat. And if you guys have any doubts regarding the courses, please ping to this Telegram number which is shown in this presentation. And if you guys have any any project or product related inquiries, please visit pantechsolutions.net. And if you guys have wanted to follow me, please follow me to the LinkedIn, and please share this video to your friends so that they're also going to be part of this free webinar on data science. So thank you so much. Thank you once again. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow session.